In this lecture, we are going to learn four important formula, right? So first one is cos A plus B, right? Formula is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now onwards, we have to learn addition and factor formula. Out of them, these are the first four formulas, right? So cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus, if plus, then you have to take minus sin A sin B, right? And if instead of plus here is minus, then you have to take plus, otherwise same formula. Now sin A plus B. In sin A cos B. So remember one thing. For cos formula, there is a cos sin. And in sin cos and reverse of the angle. So you have to reverse the angle. So A goes to cos and B comes to sin, right? So in cos, if plus, you have to take minus in answer, plus minus in answer, and cos formula, cos sin is the answer. That is cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Sin A plus B, sin, you have to remember sin cos and then reverse of the angle. So sin A cos B, sin cos, that is sin A cos B. Why cos formula? Cos A cos B minus plus then minus sin A sin B. And in sin A cos B plus then plus minus then minus. So plus reverse of this, that is cos A sin B, cos A sin B. You have to remember like this, right? And sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Got it? So क्या है फॉर्मूला में? cos की फॉर्मूला cos A cos B प्लस देन माइनस sin A sin B. cos sin आएगा आंसर में. और sin की फॉर्मूला में एक sin एक cos एंड देन रिवर्स द एंगल. sin में प्लस तो भी प्लस आएगा और माइनस तो माइनस. इन cos प्लस देन माइनस एंड माइनस देन प्लस. दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, राइट? सो cos में sin चेंज हो जाता है, sin में sin ऐसा ही रहता है, जो है वही रहता है. cos में cos sin आता है, while in sin A cos B, sin cos और then reverse the angle. तो आपको ऐसा याद रखना है. Now suppose in this formula, if we take A is equal to pi and B is equal to theta, A is equal to pi and B is equal to theta, then this first equation becomes, so from 1 what we get? From 1 we get cos pi plus theta is equal to cos pi cos theta plus then minus sin pi sin theta, right? So now cos pi, value of cos pi that you know, cos pi is this. In unit circle, this is A 1 0, this is A dash minus 1 0, this is B 0 1, and this is B dash 0 minus 1, that you know, right? And this is origin. This is angle pi 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, and this is 2 pi, right? So cos pi is here, left hand side of the unit circle. On left hand side, this point is minus 1 0, and first is cos function always, that you know, x coordinate is always cos function and y coordinate is sin function. So cos pi is minus 1, and this is cos theta minus sin pi, that is 0. So this is 0 into sin theta. So we will get minus cos theta. We will get minus cos theta. And if we take this in third, so from 3, what we get? From 3, sin pi plus theta, sin pi plus theta is equal to sin pi cos theta plus cos pi sin theta, right? So sin pi is again 0, sin pi is 0, so this is 0 into cos theta plus cos pi is minus 1, this is sin theta. So answer will be 0 and this is minus sin theta. Now recall what you learned, जो हमने previous lecture में लिखा, right? ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फॉर्मूला, वो डायरेक्ट अप्लाई करेंगे तो ये आंसर यही आएगा. तो आप ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके भी वो आंसर ला सकते हैं, मगर मैंने जो आपको सिखाया था वो ए वाला, राइट? हमने इसे किया था This is 0, pi, pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2 that you know, and completing one rotation, this is 2 pi. So pi plus theta means in third quadrant, this is pi plus theta. In third quadrant, all STC means tan and cot are positive, other are negative. So this is cos. So cos is negative. So answer is minus. And change, this is a multiple of pi, so no change. So answer is cos theta. So answer is cos theta. So both answer are same. Similarly, you can verify this. Okay. Again, if we take a is equal to pi by 2 in 1, a is equal to pi by 2 and b is equal to theta in 1, then what we get? So from 1 we get cos pi by 2 plus theta. Cos pi by 2 plus theta is equal to cos pi by 2, right? B is cos theta minus a is sin pi by 2. So this is sin pi by 2. This is sin theta. So answer is cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0 and sin pi by 2 is 1. So cos pi by 2 is 0 into cos theta and minus sin pi by 2 1 as we mark here. This is sin theta. So your answer will be minus sin theta, right? And you can write directly cos pi by 2 plus theta from here. Pi by 2 plus theta, second quadrant cos negative and change. So minus sin theta. You will get directly answer within 2 seconds instead of doing this and remembering this formula. So this is a shortcut method and time saving method for you. So for that I give you, I think 48 questions are there for sin pi plus theta, sin minus theta, sin 2 pi plus theta, 2 pi minus theta, 3 pi by 2 plus theta, 3 pi by 2 minus theta, 2 pi plus theta, 2 pi minus theta, like that. Okay, जो आपने solve किया था previous lectures में. Okay, so these are very important formula. So क्या सीखा हमने? 4 formula. Cos formula जो है वो cos का एडिशन में क्या होता है? Cos A plus B is cos A cos B plus then minus sin A sin B, and cos A minus B minus then plus. So cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. While in sin A plus B is sin cos, right? So sin A cos B and plus then plus, reverse the angle, cos A sin B, right? And sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, तो आपको क्या करना है कि 5 टाइम्स लिख लेना है, बराबर? तो घर पे राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करेंगे 5 टाइम्स, तो ये आपको मेमोराइज हो जाएगा. ओके, हमने जो फॉर्मूला देखी इसकी एप्लीकेशन का एक सम लिया है मैंने कि प्रूव करना है sin n plus 1 into a into cos n plus 2 into a minus cos n plus 1 into a sin n plus 2 is equal to minus sin a. हमने 4 फॉर्मूला देखी, राइट? सो क्या रहता फॉर्मूला? सो फर्स्ट इज cos a plus b is cos A cos B. If in cos is plus, then you will take minus. So this is minus sin A sin B. Then cos A minus B. So cos A minus B is cos A cos B minus, then take plus. Then plus sin A sin B. So this is sin A sin B, and sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, and sin A minus B is sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So these are the sets of 4 formulas we learn, right? We saw this 4 formula and I hope आपको भी ये memorize हो गया होगा, right? Now we have to solve this. So left hand side is sin, this is n plus 1 into a into cos n plus 2 into a minus cos n plus 1 into a into sine n plus 2 into a. Here it must be a, right? This is your given left hand side. This is left hand side. Okay. So now it is never given in this form. You have sometimes this type of form also, means right hand side too you have to convert in left hand side. Means आपको फॉर्मूला पता होना चाहिए कि cos की फॉर्मूला है, इसमें cos cos प्लस और माइनस आता है sin sin, और sin की फॉर्मूला में sin cos प्लस देन प्लस माइनस देन माइनस और sin cos रिवर्स आता है. तो ये क्या है देखो, see here this is sin a plus 1a. So sin a, so see this is a. I am writing this is a. So this is sin a, right? Now this is cos b. So sin a cos b and minus. So sin a cos b and minus means sin a cos b and minus. So this is last formula is applicable here. Now check, is it there cos a plus b? So this is cos a. So cos a and this is sin b. So see here, right? So this formula is applicable. So which formula is applicable? So we have to remember from both sides, not only from cos a plus b or sin a plus b, sin a minus b. You have to remember from right hand side also, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, like that, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, like that. Okay. So now this formula is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, and answer of this is, you have to remember also in reverse order. Okay. So answer of this is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, one sin one cos, right? In sin formula there is alternate sin cos, right? And in cos formula both are same, cos cos, sin sin. In cos sin altered, right? If plus then minus and minus then plus, while in sin both are same, plus then plus, minus then minus. So here sin cos alternate and minus sign is there. So this is the formula for, as we discussed, sin a minus b. So this is the formula for sin a minus b, right? So formula for sin a minus b. So what is your answer? Answer will be sin. Now what is a? A क्या है? n plus 1 into a. So this is n plus 1 into a minus, what is b? n plus 2 into a, right? So simplifying this, what we get? Sin, this is, if we take a common, then this is a plus 1 minus n minus, sorry, n plus 1 minus n minus 2 into n, and n will be cut, and this will be sin 1 minus 2 is minus, so minus a, and now sin is odd function, right? So sin is odd function. Answer of sin minus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So answer will be minus sin a, and this is your right hand side what you want to prove. So ये आपका एग्जाम्पल आ गया, राइट? तो आप ऐसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. और एक एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. The next question is sin 2a plus 2b into cos 2a minus 3b plus cos 2a plus 3b sin 2a minus 3b, right? And we have to prove answer is sin 4a, right? So trigonometry is totally depend on formulas. So ये आपको फॉर्मूला मेमोराइज करना है, आपको फॉर्मूला मेमोराइज करना है, मगर वो मेमोराइज कैसे करना है? विथ अंडरस्टैंडिंग, रट्टा नहीं मारना है, राइट? सो टेकिंग लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज sin 2a plus 2b into cos 2a minus 3b plus cos 2a plus 3b into sin 2a minus 3b. Right? Now observe properly. देखो क्या दिया है, एक साइन है, ये थीटा कोई भी हो, हम थीटा से डरते नहीं हैं, राइट? हम फंक्शन से ही डरते हैं. राइट? तो थीटा कोई भी हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। क्या है? 2a plus 2b. So this is 2a plus 2b. Is 2a plus 2b is here? Okay, is here. 2a plus 2b, and why this is 2a plus 3b? So we are making some mistake. Here it must be 2a plus 3b. 2a plus 3b. Okay, so both same है angle, right? Now for cos, this is cos 2a minus 3b, and this is again 2a minus 3b. राइट? तो फॉर्मूला क्या होगी? साइन बोथ सेम, दैट इज सपोज वी से दिस इज a, then this is sin a, and this is b, then this is cos b. So this is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Got it? Cos a sin b. So which formula is this one? Sin a cos b. See, this is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, and answer of this is sin a cos b. Sin cos alternate means sin formula plus, then answer is plus, so answer will be sin a plus b. Got it? मैंने रखा भी है, so we are applying this formula, right? इसलिए मैंने आपको भी बोला था कि हर पेज पे, राइट, टॉप मार्जिन में आप हर टाइम जब भी पेज टर्नओवर करो फॉर्मूला लिखो। नया पेज नई फॉर्मूला से, नया पेज नई फॉर्मूला से, तो आपको ये याद रह जाएगा। ओके, सो नाउ अप्लाइंग दिस फॉर्मूला, सो आंसर ऑफ दिस इज साइन, सो आंसर विल बी साइन a. A is twice a plus 3b and plus b. B is 2a minus 3b. है ना इजी? हाँ, पता चला ना? ओके, सो नाउ दिस 3a will be cut, so 2a plus 2a, answer will be 4a. So this is sin 2a plus 2a, so answer will be sin 4a, and that is what you want to prove, that is right hand side, so this is true. राइट? पता चला ना? हाँ, तो प्रैक्टिस कीजिए फॉर्मूला का। फॉर्मूला बोथ साइड से आएगी, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड दोनों से आएगी, रिवर्स भी आएगी, आपको रिवर्स में भी याद रखना है। ओके, तो हमने ये फॉर्मूला सीखी, और ये फॉर्मूला दो एंगल के लिए, ओनली फॉर टू एंगल्स, बट इफ देयर इज अ थ्री एंगल्स देन लेट अस सी व्हाट हैपन, राइट? सो फॉर्मूला फॉर cos a plus b plus c, we are going to find out the formula for cos a plus b plus c. We have only sum of two angles, right? A b, either sum either subtraction. So here all are given addition, so but we have only two angles, and here 1 2 3 angles are there. So I am assuming, suppose b plus c is equal to d, right? So I am assuming cos a plus d, where d is equal to b plus c. I am assuming d is equal to b plus c. So now applying this formula cos a cos b, right? आपको इसलिए every time formula लिखना है. So cos a cos b, this is formula cos a cos b, right? So cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is your formula, right? ये हमको यूज करना है। अब तो आपको पता चल गया होगा, हमने एग्जाम्पल भी सॉल्व किए। सो अप्लाइंग दिस फॉर्मूला, व्हाट वी गेट? दिस इज cos a cos b, that is cos b, right, minus sin a and sin b, that is sin d. Now substitute value of d here, what we get here? So cos a cos b means we assume b plus c, so substituting this value b plus c minus sin a sin b plus d, d is b plus c. Now again this is the cos formula, so applying cos formula, and here this is sin formula, and you know sin formula, sin a plus b, this formula is sin a plus b, in sin one cos, so sin a then cos b plus then plus, no sign change in cos, sign alter, right? So plus sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is the formula, right? For this, and for this we are applying same formula here. So what we get here? This is cos A. Now cos B plus C is cos B cos C, and plus then minus sin B sin C minus sin A, and sin B plus C formula sin B cos C, sin B cos C, right? And plus, then plus, plus, and then reverse the angle, means cos B sin C. So cos B sin C, right? So multiplying this, what we get? We get cos A cos B cos C, cos A cos B cos C, then minus cos A sin B sin C, right? Minus sin A sin B cos C, and plus minus minus sin A cos B sin C. Got it? Now dividing this by cos A cos B cos C, either taking common cos A cos B cos C, what we get? This is cos A cos B cos C, taking common we get 1 minus, so dividing this by cos A cos B cos C, right? So cos A sin B sin C whole upon cos A cos B cos C, got it? Minus sin A sin B cos C whole upon cos A cos B cos C, and minus this is sin A cos B sin C whole upon cos A cos B cos C. So cos A cos B cos C, right? So final answer will be cos A cos B cos C, and 1 minus. Now from here this cos will be cut, so sin upon cos is cot, sin upon cos is cot. So what we get? Cot B cot C minus, here cos C will be cut, so answer will be sin upon cos, sin upon cos means tan, not is cos upon, sin upon cos. So this is 1 minus tan B tan C. I'm saying cos upon sin, no, but this is sin upon cos. Again sin upon cos, that is minus tan A tan B, and this is minus, here cos B will be cut, so minus tan A into tan C. So you have another one formula in your set, that is cos A plus B plus C is cos A cos B cos C into bracket 1 minus, you have to take pair of 2 tan A tan B minus tan B tan C minus tan A tan C, right? So formula for cos A plus B plus C, right, is equal to what we get? Cos A cos B cos C, cos A cos B cos C into 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan B tan C minus tan A tan C. This is your formula, right? This is the formula for cos A plus B plus C, that is cos A cos B cos C into bracket 1 minus, you have to take pair of 2, AB then BC and then AC. So 1 minus tan A tan B minus tan B tan C minus tan C tan A. So add this formula in your list also. Okay. Now similarly you can find out formula for sin A plus B plus C. Okay.